After the Note series' sad demise, the Samsung S22 Ultra is the ultimate smartphone for those who are fond of the stylus. The smartphone is still quite some time away from the formal launch, but it seems like every smartphone manufacturer has either turned down their security or they are deliberately allowing these leaks and renders to fly to market the phone way before launch. In that scenario, we have just seen the dummy of the S22 Ultra, which has confirmed major design speculations. Let's take a look. A Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra dummy unit has surfaced on the web in the form of some hands-on shots and a shorthands video. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has been floating around the rumor mill for quite some time now. Moreover, the purported handset has been subject to several leaks lately. Last month, we got an early look at the South Korean tech company's next flagship, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The same source later leaked renders of two other variants in the Galaxy S22 series, including Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus. The leaked photos and videos also confirm that the S22 Plus will be the new Note, carrying the S Pen, but also left us in a thought whirlpool since there is not cutout on the frame. In collaboration with XLeak7, Cover Pigtail has shown what they claim is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra dummy unit in the hands-on video. Aside from that, they have shared live images of the aforesaid dummy unit. Interestingly, the dummy unit seems to bear a striking resemblance to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This coincides with rumors indicating that it will be a Note 22 Ultra instead, as GSM Arena reported. The dummy photos and videos showed us that the device will feature a behemoth of a 6.8-inch dual-curved display, and the device is tipped to come with a P-shaped rear-mounted camera module. This camera setup is likely to house 4 cameras, a couple of sensors, and a flash for better image quality. Previously surfaced renders show that the Galaxy S22 Ultra has 4 sharp corners like the Galaxy Note 20. Moreover, the phone is tipped to sport a 6.8-inch Super AMOLED LTPO display that delivers a 120Hz refresh rate, along with a QHD Plus screen resolution. Based on the region, the phone is likely to pack a Snapdragon 898 SoC or Exynos 2200 SoC under the hood. It will reportedly come with a highly competent AMD RDNA 2 GPU. It will likely ship with 12GB of RAM and a hearty 512GB of onboard storage capacity. The S22 is going to be a package hard to beat for every other manufacturer, but to see how it performs in the real world, it is still a question mark, now that the hardware's capability is less important than software optimization and how well the software integrates and makes use of that beefy hardware. That said, share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.